Semicon China, the annual gathering of the semiconductor world, witnessed a seismic shift this year. Huawei, the Chinese tech behemoth, unveiled its very own chip toolmaker, sending ripples of excitement and apprehension throughout the industry. This surprise move marked Huawei's bold entry into a sector dominated by established players. The atmosphere at Semicon China was electric as Huawei's CEO took the stage, a tangible sense of anticipation hanging in the air. The industry held its breath, eager to witness the unveiling of this game-changing technology. The significance of this moment was not lost on anyone present, as Huawei's entry signaled a potential power shift in the global semiconductor landscape. Huawei's chip toolmaker, with its sleek design and advanced capabilities, was the star of the show. The company showcased its prowess in developing cutting-edge technology, challenging the status quo, and signaling its ambition to become a major player in the chip-making arena. At the heart of Huawei's announcement was a revolutionary new lithography machine. This marvel of engineering, dubbed the Kirin Engraver, boasts unprecedented precision and efficiency, promising to push the boundaries of chip manufacturing. The Kirin Engraver utilizes a unique combination of extreme ultraviolet light and advanced lensing technology. Traditional lithography machines, the workhorses of chip production, have struggled to keep pace with the demand for smaller, more powerful chips. Huawei's Kirin Engraver, however, promises to overcome these limitations, paving the way for a new generation of semiconductors. Its advanced capabilities allow for the creation of transistors at incredibly small scales, enabling the production of chips with significantly enhanced performance and energy efficiency. The Kirin Engraver's unveiling sent shockwaves through the semiconductor industry. Its advanced capabilities immediately positioned Huawei as a serious contender in the global chip-making race. The industry watched with bated breath, eager to witness the impact of this technological marvel on the future of electronics. The implications of Huawei's chip toolmaker are far-reaching. With the ability to produce its own advanced chips, Huawei gains a significant advantage in a market grappling with supply chain vulnerabilities. This newfound independence could reshape the global semiconductor landscape, challenging the dominance of established players. The semiconductor industry is characterized by complex supply chains and geopolitical tensions. Huawei's entry into chip tool manufacturing has the potential to disrupt these dynamics, creating new alliances and intensifying competition. The race for technological supremacy in this critical sector is heating up, with Huawei's entry adding a new layer of complexity. For years, companies like TSMC and Samsung have reigned supreme in the world of chip manufacturing. Huawei's arrival on the scene, however, disrupts this established order, injecting a much-needed dose of competition into the market. The potential for increased innovation and lower prices is a tantalizing prospect for consumers and tech companies alike. Huawei's foray into chip toolmaking is a strategic masterstroke. Faced with US sanctions that crippled its access to advanced chips, Huawei has turned adversity into opportunity. By developing its own chip-making capabilities, Huawei aims to regain control of its destiny and reduce its reliance on external suppliers. This move is not just about survival, it's about dominance. Huawei's ambition is clear: to become a self-sufficient tech giant, capable of competing on a global scale without being beholden to the whims of other nations. The development of the Kirin Engraver is a testament to Huawei's resilience and its unwavering commitment to innovation in the face of adversity. The Kirin Engraver is a symbol of Huawei's technological prowess and its determination to overcome challenges. It represents a bold statement to the world. Huawei is here to stay, and it will not be denied its place at the forefront of technological innovation. Section 5. Echoes of surprise and apprehension. The unveiling of Huawei's chip toolmaker has sent shockwaves through the industry. Competitors, caught off guard by the speed and scale of Huawei's achievement, are scrambling to assess the potential threat. The mood is a mix of admiration for Huawei's ingenuity and apprehension about the potential disruption it could unleash. Industry analysts have been quick to recognize the significance of Huawei's achievement, with many praising the company's technological prowess and its bold vision for the future. The Kirin Engraver has been hailed as a potential game-changer, capable of shifting the balance of power in the semiconductor industry. Quotes from industry leaders reflect the mix of awe and anxiety that Huawei's announcement has generated. "This is a remarkable feat of engineering," remarked the CEO of a leading chip design firm, Huawei has proven its ability to innovate at the highest level. However, others expressed concern about the potential for increased market volatility and geopolitical tensions. Section 6. A catalyst for innovation. The arrival of Huawei's chip toolmaker could be a catalyst for a new era of innovation in the semiconductor industry. With a new player challenging the status quo, established companies will be forced to up their game, leading to advancements in chip design and manufacturing processes. Competition breeds innovation, and the semiconductor industry is no exception. Huawei's entry into the chip tool market is forcing established players to rethink their strategies and accelerate their own research and development efforts. This renewed focus on innovation is likely to result in significant technological advancements in the years to come. The race to create smaller, faster, and more efficient chips will intensify, benefiting consumers and businesses alike. The potential for breakthroughs in artificial intelligence, machine learning, and other cutting-edge technologies is enormous, as the availability of more powerful chips unlocks new possibilities. Section 7. The future of chipmaking. Huawei's chip toolmaker has ignited a debate about the future of chipmaking. Some experts believe that this development could lead to a more fragmented industry, with companies increasingly looking to secure their own supply chains. Others predict a wave of consolidation as smaller players struggle to compete with the giants. The semiconductor industry is at a crossroads. The traditional model of globalized supply chains is facing challenges driven by geopolitical tensions and the increasing importance of semiconductors in strategic industries. Huawei's move towards self-sufficiency could inspire other nations and companies to follow suit, potentially leading to a more regionalized chip-making landscape. The future of chip-making is uncertain, but one thing is clear. Huawei's entry into the chip tool market has added a new layer of complexity and intrigue to this critical industry. The decisions made by governments and industry leaders in the coming years will shape the technological landscape for decades to come. Section 8. A new era of technological sovereignty. Huawei's breakthrough highlights a growing trend towards technological sovereignty. Nations and companies are increasingly recognizing the strategic importance of controlling their own technological destiny, particularly in critical sectors like semiconductors. The days of relying solely on globalized supply chains may be numbered. The pursuit of technological sovereignty is driven by a complex interplay of economic, political, and security considerations. Governments are increasingly concerned about the vulnerability of their supply chains to disruptions caused by natural disasters, geopolitical tensions, or the actions of foreign governments. Huawei's experience with US sanctions has served as a wake-up call for many countries, highlighting the risks of relying too heavily on a single supplier or nation for critical technologies. The drive for self-sufficiency in chipmaking is likely to gain momentum as nations seek to secure their technological future and reduce their vulnerability to external pressures. Section 9. Looking ahead, a paradigm shift. Huawei's chip toolmaker represents more than just a technological breakthrough. It signifies a paradigm shift in the global tech landscape. It underscores the rise of China as a technological powerhouse, capable of challenging the established order and reshaping the future of innovation. The world is witnessing a multipolar technological landscape emerge, with China playing an increasingly prominent role. Huawei's achievements in chipmaking are just one example of China's growing technological prowess, a trend that is likely to continue in the years to come. The full impact of Huawei's chip toolmaker remains to be seen, but one thing is certain: the semiconductor industry will never be the same. The race for technological supremacy has entered a new phase, one marked by intensified competition, rapid innovation, and a renewed focus on securing technological sovereignty. The future of technology is being written right now, and Huawei is determined to be a leading author of this exciting new chapter.